really can't stop touching my hair because I'm a girl who just loves touching her hair after she straightens it. Hi guys, my name is Elaine. Welcome to my channel. You are now part of my family. So subscribe down below, like this video, and comment any videos that you think I should do because I really want to expand my channel and I think it'll be super fun. Yeah! Today we're going to be giving you my everyday makeup look, and this is when I have time, may I add. If you're interested, just keep watching. Why am I doing this with my hands? If you're interested, just keep on watching and you will get a peek at how I do my makeup. Let go! I really hope this lighting is not washing me out because then that will just be very drastic. So I hope maybe I can just... There. Perfect. Hi guys. Okay, using my Benefit Porefessional Matte Rescue. This is like my absolute favorite primer and I use it all the time. And I really hope that I am in frame. What I'm gonna do is clip my hair back. Okay. Next, this is my Essence eyeshadow primer to use. So we're gonna do eyes first. Blend, blend, blend. Blend that up. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Taking its little shader brush that it comes with. Warm taupe right there. Outer third of my eye and kind of brush it inwards. It just creates like depth. Once we get that, I now take raw sienna and with just the other end of the brush that it comes with, I'm going to pat that on the most center of my eyelid. Golden Ochre and the Tempera shade in the other side of that flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna put it right at the center of my eyelids. If I look this way, it's just because there's a mirror here. I'm filming in my bathroom. So add some sparkle to my lids. I'm now gonna take the Primavera shade. Oh, it's such a pretty rose gold shade. And if you know me, you know that I love rose gold anything. So, ooh. Now I'm gonna go back with the warm taupe and just make it as even as possible. Wow, it's really hard to talk while doing your makeup. Like I never really do this. I'm going to move on to the brows. L'Oreal Paris's Dipbrow, and it's in deep brown. No, deep brunette. When I fill my brows, I line the bottom, then I line the top of my brow, and I fill it in while making very small strokes. You also can brush them out. Gnarly brows like moi. And I have very sparse brows, so you know what? Doing my brows is like something that I need to do before I get out of the house. Trying to make them look like sisters, not twins. And there you go. Like, ooh, I dropped it. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. It depends on my mood. Cypress Umber. Oh, line the outer part of my brow. Eyeliner. Most definite favorite eyeliner ever is Maybelline Eyestudio, and this is in Black is Black. Oh my god, it lasts so long. Like I can't even tell you when's the last time I bought this. I love doing a cat eye, and that's another thing of my signature makeup looks, a cat eye. The bottom line of my eye I make an extension in a way with my liner, and then I kind of come in and connect it with the rest of my eye, and I do this in small little strokes. You do not want to do this in one big stroke because you could mess up the shape of the eyeliner. Really, I can do this on a moving train or like in the car. Is that even? Does it look even? I think that looks even. I don't know if you could tell, but this eye is a lot smaller than this one, and it's so annoying, especially when I'm doing my makeup. This brush gives me the sharpest ass lines. Yes. Oh, we're gonna move on to foundation. My favorite. Laura Mercier. I know French. Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. Most of the time, you should be using a booty blender, but mine was eaten by my dogs, so it just covered all the ugliness on my face and blend it ish. Just wanna blend it. Now we're gonna go in with concealer. Where'd it go? Where's my concealer? This is my Born This Way Too Faced Naturally Radiant Concealer. So I'm just going to be concealing as well as highlighting around the brows. Now I'm just going to be taking my Covergirl Clean Matte powder and just brush that. I'm just going to bring it down here as well. Okay. The camera totally cut off, but I also use warm taupe and I just used it along my under eye. I used Primavera again and I put that on my inner corners. And also I took Tempura, the highlight shade, and I just put that on my brow bone. Okay. Now it's time for contour. My next highlight and contour Pro palette. And I'm just going to be taking this color. This is usually the color that I use to contour. I'm going to take a little eyeshadow brush, another shader brush I guess, and taking this color, and I'm going to be contouring the sides of my nose. And I'm going to be contouring the sides of my face in 3E effect. You know that effect, right? It's like it's a common beauty thing. So pretty much you do the 3 on one side of your face. Now I'm going to be taking my favorite blush at the moment. It actually is like one of those sample sizes. I actually got it from Sephora for my birthday. So it's like the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour brush. And this is in Pate. Becca highlighter. This is the, I don't remember, not Becca highlighter. Oh yeah, so this Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is a tiny one. I'm just going to be putting it right here. Put a little bit on my nose. I broke it. That's why it's all ugly like this. But yeah, I can show you a video on like how to repair your powdered makeup. Almost done. Lashes. Now, I use my all-time favorite Kiss 11 lashes. They're amazing for natural lashes. The excess glue off that's important. You don't want to put too much glue on your eyes because then you'll rip your actual eyelashes off. I'm going to take my chunky eyelash glue. It's the Duo black one. Wait until it gets tacky. You're going to have some problems, boo. And what I do is put it on the center of my lid and adjust it. Wow. Oh, girl. Who is that? I'm just going to take a eyelash curler. This is just my Revlon Glee lash curler. Whatever. I'm just going to cut my lashes. But this is actually from L'Oreal Paris. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Like my Kylie Dolce lip liner. If it wants to come out. Yeah, it's broken. I use my Tarte. I love this little mini thing. It's my favorite lipstick ever right now. I need to buy more. This is my lip paint. We're going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Give it a little shake. And then spray XT or however you want to do it. Just spray your face. I'm going to put my shirt on. Wait a sec. This is how the look turned out. Okay. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe below, like and comment for more videos that I can make and post, so hopefully I can expand my channel. Everything is linked down below, all my social media, all the products that I used in this video if you missed any of those. So check it out below and spam that like button because I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. And remember that life is beautiful just like you. Anyways, if you guys were wondering, my shirt's from Urban Planet. It's super cute. That's super cute.